Hi students, welcome back to Chakravarthy E Classroom. Today we are going to have one more doubt clarification session. So generally the doubts posted by our students, those students who are posting the doubts in our regular course ask your doubt section, or some students are sending doubts directly to our mail ID, or in any way whatever it may be, you can reach us. I'm going to choose some of the questions sent by our students or the students who are not our regular students also. The students who are watching our videos on our YouTube channel also, you are at your liberty. You can post some doubts whichever you feel difficult, or the questions, the new type of questions, whatever it may be. I'll try my best to include that one in our doubt clarification sessions. Okay. Anyway, students, this question is sent by one of our students only. Actually, it's a simple question, but the graph is little different. Instead of giving pie chart, here they have given the donut chart. I'll tell you what it is exactly. It's very simple to understand. And before that, I already posted these questions in our Telegram channel, and most of the students must have finished these questions also. See students, total 5 questions he had sent me based on one chart, one donut chart. Okay. Before going further, students, further discussing this further, what is a donut chart? It's a simple one. Actually, it is almost similar to a pie chart. Okay, so in pie chart we get complete circle and distribution of the given data or the information. In donut chart, instead of complete circle, they leave this place because this is in the shape of food item donut. So for that reason we call this one as donut chart. And sometimes in donut charts what they do, not single one, they give double donut chart also. Double in the sense, so now this is the figure here. I'll tell you what is the double one. Sometimes they give the double. They may give one more layer here, one more layer like this. Okay, these are values based on one parameter. Some of the parameter may also be given here. Okay, I'm going to include double donut chart questions in our regular course very soon. Alright, so how to understand the donut chart? This is not different from a pie chart. Understanding should be on the similar grounds. So here this is distribution. How they have given here, donut chart given shows percentage distribution of actually not on. Okay, percentage distribution of number of students in 3 streams, MA, BA and BSc in 4 colleges. Okay, so what are the 4 colleges here? P, Q, R and S. These are the 4 colleges, P, Q, R and S. And the total number of students to be distributed, they have given this one as 400. Okay, now how to understand this one? In college S, for example, in college S, total number of students is equal to 40% of 400. Got the clarity? That is so with remaining 3 colleges. And out of this 40% of 400, there are 3 streams of students. Those 3 streams they have given. MA is one of the streams, then followed by BA and other one is BSc stream. So this is the total number of students from S. Again among those students, 3 streams are there: MA, BA, BSc. Very simple to understand this. Okay, let's go for the questions. Let's start the first question, students, quickly. But before going for these questions, I have just seen these questions. Out of 5 questions sent by the student, 4 questions are very simple, and you even need not write anything on the paper, or else very little you can write on the paper. And the reasonable timing for these questions, each question must be solved within a maximum of 30 to 45 seconds, nothing beyond that one. Okay, now start the question here. What's the first one they have given? Find difference between, one second, before going further, the article is missing here. Grammatically also we should be correct. Find the difference. The, of course it's not the English class, but still you have to use the articles properly. Anyway, find the difference between average number of students in college Q, R and S and total students in S. Here don't get confused. They have given this one in a little confusion way. Don't get confused here. The meaning is here. Find the difference between. When would you use the word between? To compare 2 things. When would you use the word among? To compare more than 2 things, right? So there should be only 2 entities here. What are those two entities? Find the difference between average number of students in college Q, R and S. You need to find out average number of students in Q, R and S, and the difference between this set and total students in S. You need to find out the difference. Now you got the clarity? Only two entities are there. Average number of students in Q, R, S and total students in S. You need to find out the difference. So try to do this question simply, even without writing anything on the paper also we can do. Here the advantage is that total number of students is same for the given one. So what do you mean by total number of students is same? Here total number is 400 and this is distributed for 4 colleges there in terms of percentage. When you come across this type of questions, either donut chart or pie chart, simply you can do that one. Here I need to find out the average students in Q, R and S. What do you mean by average? Total of the given items divided by number of items. Okay. Now don't do in this way. Total how many students are there in Q plus total how many students are there in R, total how many students are there in S, then divided by 3. Don't do like that, unnecessarily wastage of time. Instead of going for the total here, as far as these colleges are concerned, straight away you take average of the respective percentages only, then I can go for the total, because the total is same. For that reason students, here Q, R and S, quickly go for this one. Q 20%, R 15%, S 40%. Add up these 3 here. 40, then this is 55 plus 20, 75%. 75% is the total, right? I need average. So 75% divided by 3, 25%. 25% of 400. Straight away you do. What is 25% of 400? You need not write anything on the paper. 400 divided by 4. 25% is 1 by 4. So that is 100. Now the average of students in Q, R and S is 100. I got one figure. Then total students in S is 40%. 40% is nothing but, you know that one, 2 by 5. 2 by 5 of 400. What is 40% of 400? Simply you can go for this one, that is into 2 by 5 you do. So that will become 80 and 2, that is 160. Oh. Now what is the difference between these two? They are asking difference between these two. The difference is 60. So my option is option number 4 is the right one. Isn't it simple students? You need not write anything on the paper. Of course, it's a simple question. In our regular course, the basic sessions we have explained this type of questions. Okay, now go for the next one quickly. Next one, what they have given. If total students in college T are 50% more than that of students, in college P, and the ratio of students in MA, BA and BSc stream in T is 7:3:5. Then find the total students in college R is what percent more than total students in BSc stream in college T. Okay, the question seems to be lengthy, but if you understand the question very simply you can do. Here they ask the question based on college T. Where is this college T? They have given P, Q, R and S only. There is no college by name T, but it's an imagination. He is saying that if the total students in college T are 50% more than that of in college P. So number of students in college T are based on that of the number of students in college P. This is what exactly they have given. Now you tell me students, what exactly they asked for. Okay, before going for solving step by step, finally what they are asking, how can I minimize the work? How can I come to the direct answer in 1 or maximum 2 steps? Here they are asking the question, find the total students in college R is what percent more than the total students in BSc stream in college T. Now you got the idea, right? I need to find out how much percent more here, where the students, find the total students in college R is what percent more than the students in BSc stream in college T. That means here total students in college are, finally what I need to do, total students, I am writing TS, total students in college are divided by in comparison with what, BSc stream students in college T. Alright, you need to find out the percentage here. The percentage will be definitely, this is more than 100%. Definitely more than 100%, because here they have asked, then find the total students in college is what percent more than this one. So you take this one as 100%, how much more you get than 100% is going to be your final answer. Have you understood the logic here? In one step I am going to do the question. Now total number of students in college are, so that is 15% of 40. You do one thing, don't calculate that one. So 15% of 400, not 40, I'm sorry. So you don't complete the simplification, simply keep it aside. 15% of 400, actually still more shortcuts will be there, but to make it understandable to all these types of students, I am using this method, divided by. Now my task is to find out BSc stream students in college T. BSc stream students in college T means that is MA is to BA is to BSc, 7 is to 3 is to 5. This is what I need to find out, remember. Now first of all, in college T, how many students are there? Then you can distribute that one with this ratio. Total how many students are there T? 50% more than that of P. So P 25% of 400. Now in college T, 50% more than T. So now instead of taking the total, you take 50% more than 25%. What is 50% more than 25%? That is 25 into 150 by 100 or 25 into 3 by 2. If you want to go by the fraction, 50% more than 25 means 25 into 3 by 2. So that is 75 by 2. 75 by 2 means 37.5%. Don't convert that one into fraction because already I have taken this one as percentage. So I am writing this one as a 75 by 2. Yes or no, right? So that is 50% more than 25%. 50% more than 25% means that is 25% into 2 by 5. So 75 by 2% of 400%. Why I am writing this step, students? Anyway, this percentage of 400 and percentage of 400 is going to be cancelled. If any beginner is there, you understand. And the advanced students, directly you do in this way, only 15 will be the numerator. That is 15% of 400 divided by some percent of 400 you get in your basic classes of data interpretation. In class number 2 I have given this technique. Okay, anyway these two are going to be cancelled. Why to go for that one? The numerator is 15 only. In the denominator part, 75 by 2, that percentage of 400 is cancelled into, because this is the total. From the total you have to take the distribution in this way. 7 plus 3 plus 5, that is 15. Total 15. This is 5 out of 15. 5 out of 15. So instead of taking 5 by 15, directly I am taking this one as a 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Have you understood this step, students? So the advanced students who are practicing well, directly you go like this. My answer is, first I need to find out the value of 15 divided by 75 by 2 into 1 by 3. That's it. You need to do the questions in this way. Okay, now quickly go for the simplification here. What is the simplification here? So this is 15 ones, 15 fives. It's 5 by 2. Okay, now the final is this is 5 by 3 into 2, this is 6, 5 by 6. So that will become 6 by 5. I am writing here. Finally, this is 6 by 5. Have you understood this one? Simple, students. Now here, total students in R by BSc stream students in T is equal to 6 by 5. What do you mean by 6 by 5? If BSc stream students is of 5 parts, total students in our college are 6 parts. That means it is 1 part more. 1 part of 5 parts, 1 by 5. I have to show that in terms of the percentage into 100. Or directly your answer is 20% is the direct one. Have you understood this one, students, right? I just explained the direct way. The direct way is this one. So the total students in college are what percent more than BSc stream students in college T. So I converted this one directly in terms of the percentage. If the fraction is 5 by 5, for example, that means in both the cases equal number of students are there. When it is 6 by 5, that means the numerator is 1 out of 5 more than the denominator. How much more that is? 1 by 5. I have to show in terms of percentage. 1 by 5 is nothing but 20%. Now you need not find any total for this one. Straight away with the one step you can get the answer. Got the clarity? Right. Let's start the next question, students, quickly. How they have given? If 50% of the students in S are in MA stream and ratio of students in BA stream to BSc stream is 3:5, then find the central angle for students in BSc stream in S with respect to total students in all the 4 colleges. Right, simple question but good one. You do one thing, students, you just take some time for this one. Since it is a recorded premiere, what I'm doing, I'm just giving a time of 30 seconds to you. You please start that one here. Within 30 seconds, you try to go for the question quickly, as quick as possible. Just quickly do that. Right, stop writing here and just look at the board. See, students, here you need not write anything on the paper, and for that matter a little, if you want to write a little you write, but don't take more than 30 seconds after reading the question. Even 30 seconds also quite what do you call this one, ample of time there. Anyway, how to go for this? 50% of the students in S are in MA stream. What do you mean by that one, students? Total 3 streams are there, MA, BA and BSc. When 50% of the students are in MA stream, remaining 50% will be from BA and BSc. Clear? Then after that what they have given, 50% over, then and ratio of students in BA stream to BSc, they have given BA is to BSc, ratio they have given, that is 3:5. If this is the case, find the central angle for the students in BSc stream in S with respect to total students in all 4 colleges. How to find out the central angle, students? First take the fraction, the comparison fraction here. What's the fraction here? Central angle of the students in BSc stream in S. Now finally, what you need to do, BSc stream, the students in BSc stream of college S divided by, in comparison with what here, with respect to total students in all the 4 colleges, total students in all the 4 colleges, but I have to show the central angle. How to show that one? Multiplied by 360 degrees, that's it. This is the answer. When you want to show a fraction into percentage, you know that into 100%. When you want to convert that one into angle, that too they want us to show us the central angle, that is fraction into 360. Now what's the fraction here? BSc students in S. Now you see, what's the total students in college S? 50%. 50% are from MA. That means remaining 50% are BA plus BSc. Then the ratio they have given. Easily you can find out BSc students in S. First of all, here students, you see, this is total students 40%. Out of these 40%, half of them, 50% of them are from MA. I have nothing to do with that one because my question is based on BSc students. That means out of 40%, 50% gone, remaining 50% is what is that? 20%. 20% of the students from college S are from two streams, that is BA and BSc they have given. So this is 40 divided by 2, 40% divided by 2, that is 20%, 20% of 400. Now 20% of 400, so you can easily do that one, 400 divided by 5, that is 80. So that 80 should be divided in the ratio of 3:5 for BA is to BSc. So 3:5 means obviously it is 30 and it is 50. 80%, 30 plus 50 is 80. Now BSc students are 50. Here the question is 50 out of total students 400 into 360 degrees. This is my answer. So here convert that one into degrees here. So this is 8 times. Okay. So then 8 fours, then 8 fives. My answer is 45 degrees. That's it. So here in this option number second, 45 degrees is my answer. Isn't it simple, students? You need not write anything on the paper. Can't you do this one as mental calculation simply? Very, very easily you can go like this. Okay, now take the next question. This time you have to do this one again. Quickly go for this. If 40% of the students in P are in MA stream, then find the ratio of students in BA stream and BSc stream in P to the total students from Q. Now you do this one, students. Don't take much time. Just take maximum time of 30 seconds. Just start this one. Finish this within 30 seconds. Now see, students, is 30-second time required for this one, students? Obviously no. You can do this question much less time than these 30 seconds. Easily you can do that one. How is that? Observe the question carefully. If 40% of the students in P are in MA stream, okay, when 40% are in MA stream, remaining 60% are from BA plus BSc stream in from which college? College P. My question is not based on MA students. My question is based on BA plus BSc students in college P. So I am not concerned with this 40%. Rather, I am concerned with remaining 60%. Remember this one. One point is over. Now MA stream. Then find the ratio of the students in BA stream and BSc stream. This one, from this only. BA stream and BSc stream in P to the total students from Q. We want the comparison there only. So you need not even consider the total number of students of that 400 is not to be considered, not required. Because in both the cases total is 400 only. You need not go for that one. How to go for this one, students? Here 40% are from MA means remaining 60% of the students from college P are in consideration. Now you take college P total 25% students are there, 25% of 400. Anyway 400 is not required. Now I need to go for 60% of this 25%. I need to go for 60% of these 25% students is to then total students from college Q. College Q total students 20%. That's it. This is my answer. How simple, students, this one. You need not go for this one. Go for the actual figures. Numbers are not required. Only these percentages you can do, because in both the cases here and here total number is 400 only. Why to go for that one? Anyway, that is going to be cancelled. Now here simply 60% of 25. What is 60% of 25? Simple to go for this one. So 60% of 25 is 15. 1, 5. Okay, then 15% is to 20%. That's all. So this is 3:4 is the final answer. This you have to do the questions in this way. Now just honestly students, question yourself, is it required or needed to write anything on the paper? Of course no. Without writing anything on the paper, easily you can do the question like that. Now start the next question students, the last one here. Even this question is also simple question, but they have given the data in a little twisty way, and that too they have given lengthy data. That for only there you need to be a little cautious, but this question can be done very easily in a maximum of 1 minute time. Okay, right. So what they have given, 25% of the students. Okay, just first read the question properly. While reading only try to analyze that one. 25% of the students from each college Q and R. That means 25% of the students from Q and 25% of the students from R in MA stream. That is one information. And students in BA stream and BSc stream in R are 25% less than the students in BA stream and BSc stream in Q. One more information. Then they have given, if students in BA stream are 21 less than the students in BSc stream in R, then find the difference between students in BSc and BA stream in Q. The question is based on college Q. Okay, simply you can do the question students, but in our basic classes I have given you, we have done many questions of this sort. When the data are given combinedly, don't go combinedly with Q and R. Just bifurcate that one, just bifurcate, right? How is this one? The data what they have given about Q, you just do the simplifications here, and R here without any confusion. Simply you can do. In Q what they have given, 25% of the students from Q are from which stream they have given, MA stream. But the question is not based on MA. Question is based on BA and BSc. So focus, bring your focus on BA and BSc. How to bring this one? When 25% of students in Q are from MA, remaining 75% are from which one? Remaining true, that is BA and BSc. 75% of what in college Q. So actually college Q, 20% of 400. I need 75% of 20%. So 75% of 20, 75% is nothing but 3/4. So that is 3/4 part you have to take from 20. So 3/4 part from 20 is 15. Easily you can simplify that one, right? That is 15. So 15% of 400. So what is 15% of 400? 15% of 400 is 60. You can do all mental calculations only. 15% of 400. So 15 fours, that is 60. Anyway, 0, 0 will be cancelled. So my final figure is 60. So that is BA plus BSc in college QR, that is 60. Right? Have you understood how I have done this one? 25% of the students from Q are from MA. That means remaining 75, that is 3/4 are from BA and BSc. So from Q, that is 20%. 3/4 fourth part of 20% is 15%. 15% of 400 is 60. Similarly, you do that one for R as well. For R also, 25% are from MA. That means remaining 75%, 3/4 are from BA and BSc. So R here it is 15% only. So now from this 15% you need to take 3/4%. What is 3/4 of 15%? I am doing in this way. 15 into 3/4. This is percentage. Half 400. Percentage means 1/100. Here you have to take half 400 into 400. Even this also can be done mentally. Convenient figures are there. 4 into 100, 400. This 400 will be cancelled. 15 threes, that is 40. 5. So total students from BA and BSc in R, that is BA plus BSc, otherwise you just write in this way, BSc plus BA, you write BSc plus BA in R they have given, so that is how much is this one? 45. Oh. The next clue they have given, this is very important. If students in BA stream are 21 less than the students in BSc in R, so that means BSc minus BA is equal to 21. Now you can find out how many are from BSc, how many are from BA in R. Based on that one you can find out in Q. Then you go for the difference between these two. Alright, so how many are from BSc, how many are from BA? These two will be cancelled. 2 times BSc is equal to 45 plus 21, that is 66. So 1 time is 33. So BSc is 33 out of this 45. And obviously BA is 45 minus 33. I am writing here BA, that is 12. 12 plus 33, 45. Right. Now this clue they have given. Finally my question is based on what is the difference between BSc and BA from Q. But I got the values of BSc and BA from R. Now I need to find out how many are there in Q. How to go for this one? This clue. What is this one here? Just go for this clue here. MA stream are over, and here they have given that very important information. In BA stream and BSc stream in R are 25% less than the students in BA stream and BSc stream in Q respectively. What is the meaning of this one here, students? I found the values of BA and BSc students in R. These values are 25% less than that of Q's there. That means BA students in R, that is 12. This 12 is 25% less than that of the students who are in BA stream in college Q. Now you got the idea, right? In the similar way, so BSc students are 33 in college R. This 33 is how much less than? 25% less than BSc students in college Q. That means here this 33 is 75% of this figure. 75% of this figure. 75% is nothing but 3 by 4. I'm just explaining very comprehensively so that everybody can understand this one. So this figure is 3 by 4th of this figure. Now what is this figure? Simply 33. In the basic classes I have given you into 4 by 3, that's it. Okay. Even here also this is BA 12 into 4 by 3. Why that is so? Because this 33 is 25% less than that figure. That means this figure is 75% of that one. 75% is 3 by 4. You have to go in the reciprocal way. In the basic classes of percentages I have given you this technique. Okay. So finally the figures you go for this one. And one more thing, students, here even you need not calculate this also, because I need the difference between these two. Okay. Now you need not go for this one. This is 11 into 4, that is 11 into 4 44, and this is 4 into 4 16. 44 minus 16. Why to go for this one? Directly you do one thing. I need the difference only. Here only you take the difference here. 33 minus 12. 33 minus 12 is 21. Now directly you can do 21 into 4 by 3. Enough, because 4 by 3 is common here. The mathematical symbol is minus here. Instead of doing this value, again this value, and taking the difference between these two, directly take the difference between these two into 4 by 3. You can go for that. Many techniques of this sort we have discussed in our regular classes. So finally my answer is this is 7 times, and 28 is my final answer. So 28 have they given in the options? Yes, this is 28. The third option is the final one. Have you understood this one, students, clearly? Only one thing here you need to take care of is when they have given the data based on 2 entities, don't do 2 at a time. Just bifurcate that one, because both the figures are interrelated. College Q and college R figures are interrelated, just bifurcate this one. I have done in the same way. So how many BA plus BSc students are there in Q? Directly without writing anything on the paper, this is 60. How many students are there in R? I got this one to be 55. That's nothing but BSc plus BA. They have given the difference between BSc and BA as 21. Using this one, I found out how many BSc, how many BA in R. But my question is based on Q. I found out Q, take the difference, your answer is 28. If you practice well, even this type of question also can be done very, very easily. Got the idea? And this way you have to do this data interpretation questions, students. And by the way, these questions are not very difficult. Our students can do this one very, very easily because we have discussed many questions of this sort. Thank you very much, students. And if anybody is interested to join the regular course, of course you can join the course by visiting our website chakravarthysir.com or downloading our mobile app Chakravarthy E Classroom, new app from Android. For Android, that is from the Play Store. Thank you very much, students. I'll meet you in the next session.